Today, in this video, I've got some exciting job opportunities to share with you. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 super work-from-home jobs that pay really well. And guess what? You don't even need a fancy degree for any of them, and they offer such great pay. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. If you've not already done so, please remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. On this channel, we talk about all things money. And if you're all about making money online, creating and building wealth, then this is the right place and community for you. Okay, so let's dive in. Number 1 is freelance content creator. This job is super cool because you get to work from home without showing your face. You create your own schedule and the pay is pretty sweet. As a freelance content creator, you step into the exciting world of creating visual content, specifically focusing on food photography for bloggers. Don't worry if you're not a pro. You don't need experience. Lots of food bloggers are out there hungry for content, and there's a high demand for engaging visuals in the online food blogging community. You will craft photo packages tailored to meet the needs of food bloggers. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook have groups where those bloggers actively search for and pay for such packages. It's a flexible job that always allows you to create your own schedule and earn a great income. Number 2, you may not have come across this before. It is property preservation contractor. Becoming a property preservation contractor involves taking care of abandoned properties. These houses need upkeep and maintenance, and that's where you come in. Banks who usually own these properties outsource this responsibility to contractors. Your role is to handle repairs and maintenance like landscaping without the need for major remodeling. The beauty of this job is that you can delegate or outsource the actual work, making it a scalable venture. With the right approach, you could potentially make a substantial income within a relatively short period. Number 3 is tech sales. Tech sales is all about selling technology, products or services. Tech companies are on the hunt for remote workers and eager to hire remote workers to bolster their workforce. What's good about this is that you don't need previous experience to get started in this field. The starting salaries are impressive, often exceeding $80,000 in your first year. However, do keep in mind that this job requires you to be comfortable with phone communication. So, if you're averse to that, it might not be the best fit. Number 4 is bookkeeper. Being a bookkeeper involves maintaining financial records for clients. It's a fantastic work from home gig and it's low effort because the amount of work required is relatively minimal, usually around 1 to 4 hours per month for each client. You can charge your clients between $4,000 to $5,000 for this service. The flexibility in working hours is a significant advantage. You can take online courses to equip yourself with the necessary skills and knowledge to become a successful bookkeeper. It's a fantastic opportunity if you're organized, detail-oriented, and enjoy problem solving. On to number 5, which is virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide various administrative services to clients, such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and handling social media. You can find opportunities on platforms like Upwork, where freelancers connect with clients seeking assistance. The best part is you don't need prior experience for this role. You'll need to be resourceful and ready to learn as you go. Just be resourceful and use tools like Google, YouTube, and Facebook to find answers you're not sure about. You could take on a short-term project and earn a decent hourly rate. Upwork is a reputable platform to start your virtual assistant journey and land projects and look for jobs with fewer proposals submitted for less competition. Please ensure the client has a verified payment method to protect yourself and exercise caution to avoid scams and ensure a safe working environment. If you're new and want to build your profile, consider offering your services for free for a week to build trust. If you prefer a more structured approach, companies like Boldly are often hiring virtual assistants with a little bit more experience. Bonus tips for you guys: if you're new to virtual assistant world and lack references or reviews, offering free services for a short period can help you build trust and credibility with clients. Once you've proven your value, you can transition to paid services confidently. Remember, finding the right work from home job depends on your skills, interests, and goals. Explore your options and choose the one that aligns best with what you enjoy doing and what fits your lifestyle. Now then, these are some of the best work from home jobs out there in my opinion, and I hope you find one that suits you perfect. So please do comment below. I made it so that I can see someone actually sticks around to the end of my videos, and let me know how you're getting on with the job. Also guys, please like, subscribe and share if you've not already done so, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.